Hello everyone, welcome to our cross-platform app Oxygen powered by NotJustYou to help the chronic illness patient. So let's give you a quick tour of this. So right now we are registering as a patient. As soon as you fill up all the information and click register, it should give you a quick confirmation. So here's the confirmation that you can see. So now we're going to create a caregiver with filling up all the information. As soon as we fill up all the information and click register, we're going to get a confirmation of that. So now we will log in as a patient and use the patient features. So right now we are using the tracker feature where we are adding different sort of symptoms with severity levels. And we can also add appointment under the tracker thing where we can add doctor's name and appointments and select the time of the appointment. And as soon as we click an add, it should add that entry. And we can also add hospital visits, and we can put specific hospital name, reason for the visit, and select the time of our visit. And as soon as we click add again, it's going to add an entry. We also have the option to edit and update it, and that's what we are demoing right now. And as soon as we click an update, it's gonna update it. We also have the option of deleting it. So right now, as soon as we click delete, it updates our symptom tab. Now we can also show that we can add future appointments, and we can go to any future date that we want using the calendar feature. So let's take a look into our second feature called the medical wallet, where we can add digital prescriptions with specific tags, titles, and the description specific to that prescriptions. And we also allow adding multiple prescriptions with different tags based on the requirements. So now we are demoing a second prescriptions with a different tag and title specific and description specific to it. So once we have multiple prescriptions in the wallet, we can filter them out and sort them based on our requirements. Besides, to add on, we also have implemented the download features to allow the users to download it into their local device. Moreover, we also have implemented the delete features. Now let's take a look into our journal where you can create a journal on the specific folders that has been predefined or have a custom folder. So we are creating a journal for a symptom, and as you can see, a journal has been created under the folder of symptoms. We are also going to create a journal for under the appointment folder, and that's what we are doing right now. And as soon as we click a save, it's gonna create a journal under the appointment folders, and here's that. So we can also update it, clicking update and making like required changes. We can also delete the journals from specific folders. And we also got the option of connecting to a caregiver from a patient end. So that's what we are doing. We are inviting a caregiver following using their email. And as soon as I click a send, an invite notification has been sent. So now I'm going to log out, and now I'm going to log in as a caregiver, and I'm going to go to my inbox and check the invite that has been sent and accept it. And now I have an access to the patient account that has been created. And if we go back, we can see we can view all the information that the patient has uploaded in their tracker, in their wallet, as well as if I go to the journals right now, you will see it's pretty much identical for what the patient have. And we can also view all the patient information under the patient profile. So now let's log out and view another feature from the patient side. So I'm logging in as a patient again. So I'm gonna give a demo of the AI assistant. And if you give a proper question regarding any sort of medication, like right now I'm asking about a medication and want to get information about it, so it's gonna behave properly and accordingly with the correct information that it was supposed to share. However, if the patient or anyone who is using it is sharing anything inappropriate or are asking for any sort of suggestions, then the AI is predefined to not reply to it and to have a default prompt of saying sorry to their question. And that helps us to maintain data integrity and ensure customer safety. Now let's confirm that a patient is connected to a caregiver because we want to use the pager segment, and to use the pager feature we need to have a caregiver connected to it. So we have sent a low risk notification to the caregiver, and we have sent a second low risk notification, and we have also sent a high risk notification to the caregiver. So let's log out and see how it looks in the caregiver end. So I'm logging in as a caregiver, going into the specific patient account, and if I go into the pager, as you can see, we have three notifications, and as soon as I click a calling option, it opens the number on the dialer. And we also have the options to locate the patient on for the high risk one, and it opens up on a Google map. And now we can log out as well, or make any sort of changes based on what we want. Besides, we also have the option to delete an account, and as long as we hold and confirm it, it's going to delete the account. And it gives us a confirmation of the deletion. So now if we try to log in with the same credential, it shows us an error. Thank you.